Assalamu alaikum everyone, and Luna Classic, still boring, nothing much going on with Luna Classic, but I still want to say and give some few comments about the coin itself. So basically, I want to go back to the logarithmic scale, and as far as the logarithmic scale here it goes on, I want to show you the daily time frame again. And yes, it will remain boring, and I do expect it to be boring, by the way. And if things go bad, we may look at a loss of this one very big support. So you may say that there is a demand box right now. I'm just going to go down and let's actually take a rectangle here. And I'm going to draw that rectangle. And you can see that there's a few activity going on from the buyers. So the buyers who are sitting here, they pushed it up. They're sitting there, they pushed it up. Here again they pushed it up, and here again they pushed it up. So if you do see this one going on like this, so basically you can see that there is a connection here going on with this resistance and that support right there. So the resistance is going down, the support is coming sideways, and you can see that these two lines are about to meet. So the parallel lines are going to be perpendicular in the future, and you may see this coming to a close until 29th of October. So we're talking about 12 more days to go, and within these 12 days you may see an explosion. Okay, you may see an explosion, probably even to the downside, because you still have that technical target, okay, that I gave you back 3 months ago when Luna Classic was trading right over here in the probably 11,000s and 10,000s. I gave you that technical target, and we're down at 5721, and it's just very, very, very close here. Another thing is you have an Elliott wave theory going on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one, and then probably start to pump in the future from ABC, and finally start a bull run in 2024. So 2023, what I can say is I do have all my eyes, and I may say that I want to be super ready when Luna Classic does drop down to that technical target. I think that might be the bottom. Okay, might be the bottom. Double four, that's the number. That could be the end of it. I'm not very sure. Once we go down there, we're going to see what happens, of course, but that's the last target that is pending, and you're sitting at 5721, and this is a target that I gave you very, very long time ago. And I told you that in June, actually back in June, I told you that it may take time until August, September to actually come down there, and we actually did, but still it still has to touch it down there. Now for this one, if you ever see that Luna Classic does something like this, drop below here, take that stop loss, comes back for the retest, get rejected there, boom, crash down, double four, and that's where you have your support, this support right over there, as you can see, right? So it's support number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then finally drop down to the double four, and this is another support there. Boom, break above it. And the bigger picture you have to look at is that this is a falling wedge. Okay, falling wedge, break above the falling wedge, shoot to the moon, and if you're lucky enough, you got that double four, which is one of the most cheapest you can get. That's very cheap, honestly. So that's it for this Luna Classic. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.